Royal Australian Mint Set, 1966 decimal coins. Official mint set. 1966 saw the release of the first mint set of the new Australian decimal coins. The release of this set was the first time that coin collectors got the chance to acquire an uncirculated grade year set of coins directly from the mint. This set is an example of the initial release of these mint sets. They were only available from the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra. Lucky visitors to the mint could purchase the complete set of coins being released for that year for a mere $1. This was a bargain even then, as the total face value of the set was 88 cents. This is a very small margin when compared with contemporary mint sets. My opinion, this set is the foundation of an Australian decimal coin collection. Coins found in this simple cardboard and plastic presentation card tend to be well preserved. Sadly, this was not the case with some future Royal Australian Mint sets that were presented in PVC plastic folders. Time revealing that PVC plastic that was supposed to protect the coins actually contributed to corrosion of the coins. The 6-coin set is comprised of the bronze 1 and 2 cent coin, the copper and nickel 5, 10 and 20 cent coins, and the 80% silver 50 cent coin. This round 50 cent coin was only released for circulation on this first year of the new decimal coinage. Future mint sets would hold the 12-sided 50 cent coin with its copper and nickel composition. The set displays both sides of the coin, the obverse of all the coins bearing the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, the reverse showing off the new Australian wildlife designs by Stuart Devlin that would go on to adorn many more Australian coins in future years. Good news is that these sets were sold in considerable numbers back in 1966 and 1967, so can still be obtained at reasonable prices. Sets should be examined carefully before purchase, however. The unprotected cardboard of many sets has been discoloured or stained over time, some being held together with staples that have rusted. The thin plastic that covers the coins can sometimes also be damaged, leaving the coins vulnerable to oxidisation. Higher grade sets were still being sold for under $90 early 2024. Obtaining one of these sets gives the collector the chance of holding examples of the very first decimal Australian coins that have not been diminished over time, allowing the full beauty and detail of the coins to be appreciated.